What is up, guys? This is the Autistic Trio here. We're about to blast speakers in Best Buy. So let's go. Let's get in Best Buy. The beautiful place.
What is up? That's why we are here to shop. Over there.
Oh. All right.
Just bought a new car, one where the top goes down so we can see the stars. I wanna take you so far, out past the Saturn rings and into my heart. Yeah, we picking on them guitars just right. Everybody singing Dixieland and like a bottle on a wet line. We just trying to catch a good time. 80 degrees and the sun ain't even out. We gotta start a couple miles out there. When the
All right, we're ready. Let's go. He's playing moaning, guys. We're playing moaning on the speakers. Now we're playing farts. Oh, shut off. Let's get it again. This one right here. Man.
This is all simple. This is all CDs. No, the cover they have free connection. What? Someone shit their pants? Damn! Did you see your pants, man? What the fuck is going on? What the hell, man?